Balungit lewar kami rawoy etan mamesani at TMC Meang el Chais ang akaklag ang Ngeldei Tulop. Masal mawat el Meang el Chais del al sils. Palau declares October as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. President Surang S. Whips Jr. has proclaimed October 2025 as Breast Cancer Awareness Month in Palau under the theme Strengthen Unity, supporting breast cancer and screening initiatives. Breast cancer remains the leading cancer among women and one of the top 3 overall in Palau, with cases linked to lifestyle factors such as tobacco use, poor diet, and inactivity. Despite available screenings, most cases are detected at advanced stages. To improve early detection, the government launched a mobile mammography unit in May 2024, screening 648 women and identifying 1 early cancer case. Selma Anyarul Meang el Chais, Palau Election Commission rejects petition to recall Angar Governor Misa. The Palau Election Commission has dismissed a citizen petition to recall Angar Governor Natus Mis after verifying 74 of 84 submitted signatures, well short of 119 required to meet the 25% threshold of registered voters. The petition accused Governor Mis of misconduct, including mismanaging state assets and government operations. Mis denied the allegations, explaining that the issue involving a grant-funded boat was under national investigation and that he had sought extension from Japan's embassy. He suggested the recall effort was politically motivated, tied to his attempts to uncover past government misconduct. Angar, which elects its leaders every 2 years, has a history of financial controversies in previous administrations. Selma Anyadel Meang el Chais, Palau Court convicts coin mine operator in tax fraud cases as NDBP pursues new coin agreement. The Supreme Court of Palau has convicted Ephraim Polycarp, operator of Palau Commemorative Coin Company, of multiple counts of tax fraud and failure to pay taxes over a decade of undeclared international coin minting details. Prosecutors proved that Polycarp concealed large royalty payments from Liechtenstein-based Coin Invest Trust while falsely reporting no business activity between 2014 and 2024. He was found guilty on 17 counts with sentencing set for November 4, 2025. The case highlights the Office of Special Prosecutor's ongoing efforts to enforce accountability as similar tax and misconduct cases continue to surface. Meanwhile, the National Development Bank of Palau is negotiating a new lawful coin minting contract with Coin Invest Trust, with proceeds aimed at supporting housing and small business loans. Following that, Palau showcases tax reform progress to host 2026 Pacific Tax Conference. Palau showcased its ongoing tax reform progress at the 22nd Pacific Islands Tax Administrations Association Conference in Tonga, where Acting Director Turang Regil and Senior Auditor Chanisa Ford represented the country. Regil highlighted Palau's efforts to strengthen domestic revenue systems, enhance regional cooperation, and address challenges facing Pacific tax administrations. Supported by the Australian government through the Palau Tax Partnership Program, Palau was also selected to host the 23rd Pacific Islands Tax Administration Association Conference in Qatar of 2026. Direk Meang el Chais, Palau welcomes new ambassadors from Pakistan, Ireland, and Bangladesh ahead of Independence Day. Ahead of Palau's 31st Independence Day, President Surang S. Whips Jr. welcomed 3 new ambassadors: Dr. Asima Rabanai of Pakistan, Emma Hickey of Ireland, and Mohammed Sarwarth Mahamud of Bangladesh, during credential ceremonies held on September 30, 2025 in Koror. The meetings reaffirmed Palau's commitment to strengthening diplomatic ties and expanding cooperation in tourism, trade, and economic development. The event highlighted Palau's ongoing efforts to build global partnerships as the nation celebrated 31 years of independence. San Molas del Meang el Chais, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake rocks the region, with minor effects felt in Palau. Earlier today, a strong magnitude of 7.0 earthquake hit near Davao Oriental in the southern Philippines, and the shaking was felt across the region, even here in Palau. Right after the quake, a tsunami warning was issued for parts of the Pacific, including Palau, Indonesia, and nearby islands. Thankfully, the warning has now been lifted, and only small sea level changes were recorded. In the Philippines, however, reports say at least 1 person lost their life, and some towns in Mindanao are dealing with damaged homes, cracked buildings, and power outages. Here at home, officials say there's no damage or injuries, but many people say they felt the ground move early this morning. Right now, everyone is being reminded to stay alert for aftershocks and to keep listening for updates from the National Weather Service and NEMO. It's another reminder for our island communities like ours to always be ready and to be on a lookout for one another. Malawaysay agayid am nasbel Meang el Chais el altal Sunday kofmal masaw am nasawmil tunin. Just lolmol lamakal tangat rid rawoy bam garik and have a great weekend.